Hello, my friend. Welcome back. Thank you for being here. Take a slow breath. You are safe here. Today, I want to talk about something simple, something important. The topic is stop working hard. That sounds strange, right? Why stop working hard? Let me ask you a question. Are you tired? Do you feel busy every day, but still feel stuck? If you feel this way, this message is for you. Let me tell you a small story. There is a person. Maybe this person is you. This person wakes up early, works all day, tries very hard. But at night, the person feels empty. No energy, no joy. The person says, I work so hard. Why am I not happy? I try so much. Why am I not moving forward? This person is not lazy. This person is not weak. This person is just tired. Working hard every day can make us forget something important. We forget how to breathe. We forget how to feel calm. Sometimes, hard work becomes pressure. Pressure becomes stress. Stress becomes fear. And fear stops us. Point 1. You don't need to work harder. You do not need to work harder. Please hear this clearly. You are not lazy. You are not weak. You are just tired. Every day, you try your best. You wake up. You work. You think. You worry. You push yourself again and again. But your heart feels heavy. Your mind feels full. Working harder is not always the answer. Sometimes, working harder only brings more stress. When you feel tired, it is a sign. Your body is speaking. Your mind is asking for care. Stopping for a moment is okay. Slowing down is okay. You do not lose time when you rest. You gain strength. Remember this. You do not need to run to move forward. You can walk. Walking slowly is still moving. Breathing calmly is still progress. Be gentle with yourself. You are doing more than you think. You do not need to work harder. You need to work with peace. Point 2. Slow is okay. Slow is okay. Please remember this. You do not need to be fast. You do not need to rush. Many people move fast. Many people look strong. But fast does not mean happy. Slow does not mean weak. Slow does not mean behind. Slow means careful. Slow means steady. When you move slowly, you can feel your steps. You can breathe. You can think. Life is not a race. There is no finish line today. If you learn slowly, it is okay. If you grow slowly, it is okay. You are still moving forward. Even one small step matters. Look at the sky. It moves slowly, but it never stops. Look at a tree. It grows slowly, but it becomes strong. You are the same. Take your time. Trust your pace. Slow is calm. Slow is safe. Slow is enough. Slow is okay. Point 3. One step is enough. One step is enough. You do not need big steps. You do not need to change everything today. You do not need to know everything now. One small step is good. One small step is real. Today, maybe you feel tired. Maybe you feel unsure. That is okay. Just take one step. Not 2. Not 10. One step forward. That is progress. Small steps may look weak, but they are strong. Small steps build habits. Small steps build trust. Small steps build a better life. When you take one step today, tomorrow feels easier. You are not late. You are not failing. You are moving at your own pace. And that pace is right for you. Do not look at the whole road. Look at the next step. That is enough. You are enough. One step is enough. Point 4. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to yourself. Please remember this. Many times, you are kind to others. You help them. You understand them. But with yourself, you are too hard. You use strong words. You feel not good enough. This is not fair to you. You are learning. You are growing. You are trying. So talk to yourself softly. When you make a mistake, say, it is okay. I am learning. When you feel slow, say, I am doing my best. This is my pace. You do not need to be perfect to be proud. You do not need to be strong all the time. Some days are heavy. Some days are quiet. Both are okay. Being kind to yourself gives you energy. It helps your heart feel safe. When your heart feels safe, you can move forward again. So be gentle. Be patient. You are not your mistakes. You are your effort. Be kind to yourself. You deserve that kindness. Point 5. Rest is not quitting. Rest is not quitting. Please listen carefully. Sometimes you feel tired. Your body hurts. Your mind feels heavy. It is okay to stop for a while. It does not mean you are weak. It does not mean you failed. Rest is part of moving forward. Rest gives you strength. Rest gives your mind peace. Rest gives your heart calm. Imagine a tree. It stops growing at night. It rests. But the tree grows again in the morning. You are like the tree. You need time to rest. You need time to breathe. When you rest, you recharge. When you rest, your energy returns. When you rest, your mind becomes clear. Do not feel guilty for resting. Do not say, I should do more. Say, I am taking care of myself. Taking care of yourself is important. It is not lazy. It is not quitting. After rest, you can continue. You can take one step. You can take another. Rest is a tool. Rest is power. Rest is love for yourself. Remember, rest is not quitting. Rest is part of your journey. Point 6. Repeat positive words. Repeat positive words. Please listen carefully. The words you say to yourself are very powerful. They can lift your heart. They can calm your mind. They can give you courage. When you feel tired, say, I can do this. I am not alone. I am enough. Say these words slowly. Say them again. Say them again and again. Even if you do not feel it at first, your heart will begin to believe. Your mind will begin to feel strong. When you face fear, say, I am brave. When you feel doubt, say, I can try. Positive words are like sunlight. They warm you. They help you grow. They give you hope. Repeat them every day. Repeat them every morning. Repeat them every night. Even small words matter. Even small sentences matter. Your words can change your feelings. Your words can change your day. Your words can change your life. So do not stop. Keep saying kind words to yourself. Keep saying strong words to yourself. Remember, you are powerful. You are enough. You can do this. Now, let's talk about learning English. Many people say, I study hard, but my English is still poor. Listen carefully. English does not grow with pressure. English grows with time. You do not need to study for many hours. You need to practice a little every day. Listen. Repeat. Feel the words. 5 minutes is good. 10 minutes is great. One video. One lesson. One new word. That is enough. Do not compare yourself to others. Your journey is your journey. When you feel confused, it is okay. When you make mistakes, it is okay. Mistakes mean learning. Slow means real. You are not late. You are right on time. You are doing well. Even if you cannot see it yet. You do not need to work hard today. You need to work with peace. Keep listening. Keep learning. Keep believing. Small steps. Soft steps. Every day. Thank you for being here with me. I am proud of you. See you again. And remember, you can do this. One step at a time.